Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add or remove the localization photo tag in the HONOR X7A. So in the first step, open the camera app and go to the settings. Then look for the localization tag. If you want to add the localization info to your photos for the memories, for example, for the Instagram tags, just switch it on and add a permission in the settings. Go to the permissions and tap on the location. Now just select the allow only while using the app, go back to the camera, and now you can take your photos with the localization tag. Of course, if you want to take the photos without any info about your real-time position, switch it off like here, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.